Hello and welcome to this short video. We would like to show you what you need to consider in WPS Catalogs when you have selected WPS Catalogs as the target system in the provisioning request to your supplier. In this video, you will learn how to prepare catalog covers to import catalogs from wescale seamlessly. We will show you which settings you need to make and what you should pay attention to in order to avoid errors. If you selected WPS Catalogs as the target system in the provisioning request, there are a few things to consider in WPS Catalogs. Navigate to the dashboard of WPS Catalogs. There you will find the new section, New WPS Catalog. Catalogs that were synchronized from WScale can be recognized by the prefix WScale. In this overview, you see all the catalogs that need to be completed. Alternatively, you can also go through the catalog management and select the button Complete Catalog. Open a catalog that needs to be completed. Some data has already been imported from WScale, but there are important mandatory details that must be added manually. These include the description, the supplier, which can be selected or newly created, the language and the currency, as well as the respective area. Additionally, the approval workflow needs to be managed. Please add at least one user to product approval. After clicking on Complete Catalog Information, the catalog will be automatically imported. BMECAT files will be removed from the directories to prevent them from being processed again. To ensure that the catalog was successfully imported, you can filter for WScale catalogs in the Catalog Overview. Here you see all catalogs that have been synchronized from WScale. In the filter criteria, simply select only Show WScale Catalogs as the catalog source and confirm Refresh. If catalogs are already present in the WPS catalog, which were, for example, imported from a previous source system, you must now edit these catalogs. This means you must merge the newly imported catalog from WPS Catalogs with the existing catalog. Proceed as follows. Open the catalog you want to merge, that is, the catalog that is now being imported from WScale. In the wizard for catalog completion, do not select the option to complete the catalog, but instead choose the button to merge. In the following wizard, you have a drop-down list where you can see all WPS catalogs that can be filled in. Now, select the already existing catalog. After making your selection, you will now see the new catalog and the existing catalog in the system. Click on the button labeled Merge Catalogs. In the next overview, you will receive a warning that the merging of the two catalogs cannot be undone by you. Confirm finally by clicking Merge Catalogs. In the next step, the review and approval follow. If you are responsible for product approval, you can now edit and review the catalog. You have the option to approve or reject the catalog. If the catalog is rejected, the system automatically generates a PDF report with all rejected products. This report can then be sent to the supplier. To avoid errors, please check the following before saving the catalog. Are all mandatory fields completed? Has the supplier been entered correctly? Has the approval workflow been defined? Do the language and currency match the requirements? If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is at your service.